Hi, I'm Carolyn Hazard and I'm responding to queries on the Learn Gelli Plate Printing group about how to get started with Gelli Plate printing. So I've got out a few office folders. As you can see, I placed my Gelli plate on one side and my roll-off papers on the other side. I have also cut some shapes from office folders. I'm going to put the shapes I've cut on top of my painted Gelli plate. I'm printing onto a piece of 140-pound cardstock, which I have taped on all four sides with art tape, the narrow white tape. You can use any kind of tape. I clean the plate in between pulls with roll-off papers so I get extra paint off. Here I'm doing it twice. You don't have to do this, but it's just a way to get started so you can separate your colors. I'm putting the next layer of paint on, which is a little darker this time. I went from yellow to orange. I'm putting on about as much paint as you would put on a mustard on a hot dog. About that much paint. You don't need much more, about a tablespoon. I'm stroking the cardstock with Kleenex because it helps the hands slide and then you can get your fingers in all the negative spaces of the mask. Here I am cleaning the plate again from the orange. And each of these papers can be saved. They make beautiful collage papers in and of themselves, as do the roll-off papers. So I save them in a separate pile off to the right. You can see again that amount of paint you would put mustard on a hot dog. I'm going a little darker this time, yellow, orange, blue. I'm pointing out how I'm considering where I want to put the features relative to what I already have. I know I'm going to flip it over on the print, right, on the Gelli plate, so I want to design it a little bit, but you know, you're just getting started. Doesn't matter so much. Don't have to go to town. Anything's going to work out. You do this a couple of times, you get the hang of it at least. I also made another movie on getting started in Gelli plate printing for stamping. I think the thing about Gelli plates is that they work two ways. You can print with them or you can create a complete peel, and they're both completely different. So here goes the darkest layer, and I'm looking at my design and I'm deciding where my features should go. Putting down my office folder masks. It's my darker color, so it's not putting in a lot of it. So I've done 4 passes, yellow, orange, light blue, dark blue, with exactly the same shapes of masks, and I'm done. And I got to give it a try. I'm going to clean the plate with another roll-off paper. I'll just pick all the paint off the plate. The plate's not going to be completely clean, but that's okay. You can leave some paint on the plate. That's what gives Gelli plate printing its charm. Another nice collage piece, move that over. And I'll take the tape off the Gelli print. The steeper the angle on the separation, the less likely you'll pull the paper. And I use a piece of Kleenex to keep the side clean in case my hand is dirty. And there I have my very first Gelli plate print. And that is exactly how I started about a year ago. Just gives you the hang of it. Enjoy.